Hey everyone, Kensurfs here, and it's time for another shave video. Now, I gave you a sneak preview of these items a couple of shaves ago, and today we're going to be trying a few new products. The first one comes from the good folks at Wholly Kaw, and it's Scentropy, a new exclusive soap and aftershave that's going to be available from Wetshaving. So Wetshaving and Sri from Wholly Kaw teamed up on this one. So I'm really excited to try that out today. I'm also going to be trying a new brush today from AP Shave Company. And I got 3 of these brushes to sample. I may give one away in the 19,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway that'll be coming up. But when I did that blindfolded shave the other day, I brought out my old Oakley eye jackets, and after enjoying them again, it'd been probably a decade since I put them on, but my lenses were a little off, so I was looking for replacement lenses. I ended up at the Oakley site, and I didn't know they re-released the eye jackets. It's called the eye jacket redo. People are saying redux, but I believe it's redo. And they have a color, blue cobalt. Here's what it looks like. Now, the only reason I mention that is because one of these brushes from AP Shave Company is, I don't know if you can see, but it's really a nice cobalt blue. And it's he calls it a 2-bed knot. So it's 2-band extra dense. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying this brush out today. The only thing I noticed about this model that I liked the best out of the synthetics is usually AP Shave has their signature on the bottom, but this one does not. But I really love the color. So I'm going to be using this 24mm knot today with the Wholly Kaw aftershave and soap. I'm going to use one of my favorite mild razors. I get this asked all the time, what are your favorite razors? And I really like the Mercure 34G, but I also have the C, the chrome version. It's exactly the same razor, it's just the coloring is different. So I'm going to be using the 34C today in the shave. I think that's all. So let me tell you a little bit about the soap. First of all, from Wholly Kaw. Like I said, it's an exclusive to West Coast Shaving, and it's kind of a special occasion soap. It's a premium soap, so it's a little bit on the higher side, but Wholly Kaw, they're really into keeping your skin, they're really into products to help your skin stay soft and, you know, not age, anything like that. Just really a good skin product company. And this is an example of it. All right, it has almond, sage, lavender, cashmere, leather, raspberry, mandarin, neroli, cardamon, nutmeg, hay, sandalwood, and woody notes. Really, I do smell the leathery in there. And most important, it's approved by my wife. I said, hey, what do you think of this? And if I were to give her this to try, oh my God, no. But she liked it. And that's a big say in a big plus in the Kensurfs household. So we're going to try this out today, and right away you can tell it's a very silky looking soap, nice and soft. So we're going to use that today. So thank you to the folks at AP Shave, West Coast Shaving, and Wholly Kaw for letting me preview these. I noticed that 4 days ago there's already a review of Wholly Kaw on the Daily Shave at West Coast Shaving. But they're going to be releasing this, it's not for sale yet. They're going to be releasing this soap this Friday at 7 a.m. So 3 days from now, what is it, Monday night here, 4 days from now, they're going to be releasing it. So keep your eye out if you like it. I'm going to see how I like it. All right, I'm going to put the synthetic brush, not that I need to, but I'm going to put it into the crystal skull there. Get it a little wet. Someone asked if I was going to do a wristwatch check again, and I'm wearing the Omega Spectre clone. For a clone, keeps surprisingly good time. I've had this about 4 years, and just kind of looks cool. I bought it as a prop for a previous video that I ended up not doing. Okay. My oak leaves. My stomach's rumbling. I don't know if you can hear that. Haven't ate yet. Work day is over. I'm gonna have some dinner in a few minutes. It's usually late. I usually eat about 6. Very nice. It's nice to see what I'm doing. That blindfolded shave was something else. I have some other products that just arrived from the good folks at Captain's Choice. So I'll be doing another video later on in the week with some, I'm gonna really load this up, with some menthol nor'easter from Captain's Choice. So stay tuned for that one. Definitely smells good. Oh, right away. Thick, 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 thick. Very thick. Oh, and it's a tallow-based soap. So quiet. Had a teleconference today. Wife had a teleconference. Son's always on a teleconference, so it's nice and quiet in the house this evening. I'll probably get this video edited and up tomorrow morning sometime. All right. Very slick. Very slick. See? Didn't even wipe off. Nice. All right. They're out there binge watching The Office. They've never seen it before, so it's on Netflix, and they're just binge watching. So that kind of gives me time to do some stuff I like to do. Being cooped up in a house is it's a weird feeling. But stay safe, everybody, please. Maybe we'll get through this soon. Getting some good slickness here too. Blades gliding, look at that. And I like the way the brush loaded up. Like that, it's almost got a, well, look. It holds it. Wholly Kaw is made in the USA, an AP shave company. Brushes are made in Ontario, Canada. I'm made in England. Turning it. I think I mentioned it's a Gillette Wilkinson sword blade made in India in here. Had to do 3 or 4 intro takes. You know, it's one of those, if you think about the stuff, you goof. If you just shoot from the hip, the video usually turns out pretty good, and so does the shave. Oops, gonna wet it a little more. There we go. Man, it's thick. Thick soaps. Taylor Roll Bond Street goes on pretty thick too. Wow, smooth already. All right. guys binge watching videos too? One of you, or a couple of you actually, are binge watching some James Bond movies. I keep getting texts, hey, I'm on Octopussy now. Oh, hey, I'm on The Man with a Golden Gun now, so it's kind of cool. I can't do that with a wife and daughter. They'd rather be watching The Office. I'm getting good reviews on the 1080 high def that I'm loading these up on. That's good. I haven't had anybody say they can't view the video, so that's good news. Hear the feedback? And I have not looked to see if this is alcohol-based aftershave. So we'll see if we get the burn. No cuts on that first pass. Good. Good, good, good. Been requested to use the Fat Boy again, so I think maybe in the next shave I'll bring out the Fat Boy. Wow, I can feel the, it's almost like I've got body lotion on, or face, face lotion. What does my wife get me? She gets me, like, it's kind of a sunblock, and it makes you feel, makes the skin soft. Feels like that's on already. That's based on the ingredients. I'll put the ingredients list and, of course, the links to both these sites in the description of this video. All right, here we go. The aftershave. A little stronger than the soap scent, but right on. It's got alcohol in it. Oh, nice burn. Nice burn. Nice burn. They also, the good folks at Wholly Kaw sent me a soap bar. So I got to try this out too. Actually, I think the wife and I stole it back from them. They saw I got a soap bar. They took it. I took it back. So I was nosing through the products for bars of soap and stuff. 2 pass did it nice. All right, well, since I got a little time on my hands, I'm gonna, as you've seen before, I just keep a little tray in the sink. I'm gonna rinse out the soap, put the brush in, just kind of rinse it out, leave a little running water in there. Shake it out. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. They have a Badger gel brush I'll be trying out. Look at that monster. Gel tip. I get a lot of flack from my daughter when I use Badger brushes. She goes, you ought to go to synthetic. And I know, but I'm demoing for you, right? What can I do? All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. Shave was perfect. Brush worked perfect. Soap worked perfect. And the aftershave burnt just right, man. Enjoy that. Well, stay safe, man. Stay in your house. Maybe there's going to be some movement soon in some of the states where you don't have to, but let's get this under control. I think the last time there was an epidemic like this, what was it, 1918 in the United States? The so-called Spanish flu, and didn't hear about it anymore like the next year or so. So hopefully we find a cure for this one real soon too. Thank you to all the first responders, the medical people and everything for, being on the front lines with this one. And hopefully we get through it all. Stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscriptions are always appreciated. And I can't wait to get my hair cut again when all this is over. It's summer and, getting to be summer, and it gets hot, man, with long hair. All right, everybody. Till next time, it's Kensurfs saying have a great night.